Employee training. One of the things we're most excited about at Surgical Recovery Suites, LLC, is our facility in Henderson, Nevada. Over the last 10 years, we've developed a recovery suites program that builds efficiency and tremendous outcomes. One of the things that we would love to do is host your employees, whether it be your scrub techs, your nurses, the recovery suites nurses, physical therapists, inventory management people, billing and collections, sales and marketing, to host them in Henderson, Nevada. We've built an employee training program that is based on a shadowing experience, whether it be 3 days, 5 days, or return visits. We're happy to have your folks come hang out with our folks. I think this will provide a do what we do opportunity, develop relationships so that we can provide your staff with support from a remote location. So we look forward to hosting you in Henderson, Nevada.